Hello, this is James, and welcome to Educare tutorial. We are going to, in a jiffy, start off with the tutorial on accounts. In a nutshell, what we'll be learning in this tutorial, especially this first series, will be the finance module. Our finance module include accounts, wallet manager, and impressed manager. Now, this first part of the finance module will be dealing with accounts. So in accounts module tutorial series, our main interests are first, how to add account numbers, how to set up e-bills, which is actually optional. The next one is how to set up the different accounts that will be managing all the receivables in your school. And the next one will be how to manage these accounts as the departments have already been set up. The other one will be how to manage discounts. The other one will be the broad view, which in this context will be a quick review. In a later series, we'll have it exclusively covered. So, in a nutshell, adding account number is very simple. Very simple. All it requires is fill a form that contains the list of bank accounts, or rather banks in Nigeria. Then enter the bank alias, that is the custom name that you would want to call the account number, just in case, at least a reminder. And the next one is the the bank account name, that is, if your school is Educare International School. Then the Nuban account number, which is a general 10-digit code. Then you save the button and that's it. So let us quickly get to the tutorial. It is assumed that you already have your login, that is your login detail. So means also that you already know your URL. So if you are on your URL, you will have the logo of your school and the background that was set up for your dashboard, for your login page, right in front of you right now. And if you do, all you require is your credentials, that is your email address and password that was given to you at the point of creation, whether you are an admin, a super admin, or an account manager. So all you need to do is enter them in the boxes provided and log in. However, if you are already logged on, the system may not show you the login page. To simply show you your dashboard. Now, to set up accounts, you have to go to accounts module and click on account numbers. We'll get to NIBS e-bills in a jiffy, but for now, managing account numbers. So you just click on account numbers and you have a small button over here at the top right which says link new account. Click on the link new account to bring up the new account model. Select Zenith Bank PLC. You can, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume that this is our Zenith Bank Naira account. That is the alias, but the name remains Educare Demo School. And the Nuban account number 100-550-1022. And what do you do next? You click on add button and voila, the account number is registered. You can go ahead to add more. Access bank, maybe the same thing, access school fees account, something like that. Account name remains Educare Demo School, or whatever you used in registering it. And then the Nuban account number maybe 500-899-7896, and you add. So at the end of the day, you have actually built a list of the account numbers. In the next few lessons, you will get to know where these account numbers are relevant.